Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from Patreon. First, you have to go to your Patreon website, that patreon.com. You can also download Patreon app from your Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Now at the top left corner you will find three-line option, and go here and click on settings. You can find your basic settings, account settings, email notification, and after that you will find the membership option. You just scroll a little and you will find this option. Now you can unsubscribe from a Patreon site. Now click on three dot and here you'll find the cancel membership options is available. Also, if you have any paid membership, then you also can cancel the paid membership from here. Just click on edit or cancel membership, then you can just click on cancel membership for cancellation process. Now after clicking on this, you can click on confirm cancellation. Then this confirmation pop-up will show up on your screen that your monthly payment was successfully deleted. After this message, this confirmation message, you can consider that the membership of your Patreon site is now successfully cancelled. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.